Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page in Confluence so you can organize your team's ideas and build out your workspace efficiently in 2026. Let's get into it. First, locate the Create button. The first step is initiating the new page process from any screen within your Confluence site. Look at the top navigation bar and click the bright blue Create button. Ensure you are in the correct space before hitting Create, or use the drop-down to select the destination. Next, choose a template or blank page. Confluence offers various layouts to help you structure your information quickly. In the bottom navigation bar, you should see several options, including Templates Library for options like meeting notes or project plan. If you want a clean slate, simply click the main canvas to start a blank page. Templates in 2026 are Smart-enabled, meaning they often include preset macros and labels. Starting with a template can save you 10 to 15 minutes of formatting, but a blank page is better for unique brainstorms where you don't want to be restricted by a specific layout. Lastly, add your title and content. A page needs a clear identity to be searchable by your teammates. Click on the Page Title placeholder at the top and type a descriptive name. Use the / command to quickly add elements like images, tables, or task lists to the body of your page. The title is the primary metadata used by Confluence's search engine. In 2026, using a clear, keyword-rich title ensures that your colleagues can find your work in seconds, while the / shortcut keeps your hands on the keyboard for faster content creation. When you're ready, click the Publish button in the top right corner. If you're not ready for everyone to see it, click the lock icon next to Publish to set specific view or edit restrictions. Until you hit Publish, your work remains a draft visible only to you. In 2026, the publishing workflow also triggers notifications to anyone following that space, ensuring your team stays updated on the latest documentation as soon as it's ready. And that's pretty much it. To add a page in 2026, click the Create button in the top bar, choose between a template or a blank page, add a clear title, and use the / command to build your content. Hit Publish to share it with your team, or set restrictions to keep it private. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.